Hi dear friends, today we are going to discuss about how to add additional reference number in our sales invoice, after how to display that reference number in our outstanding report. This option is available only in our TallyPrime. For that, at the time of invoicing you need to do this configuration. I will show you how to enable that option. So I have already passed on sales entry. This is that sales entry. This is the default sales voucher interface. Here there is a no reference number. The top there is one invoice number. After that is a blank. If you need to activate the reference number, for that you go to configure, click the configure. Then there is a option provide reference number and date. Make it yes. Then save. After that, here you can see this is the reference number. Here I am just putting the reference number INV01, then reference date. Okay. After that, I am going to save this entry. I saved this entry. Then I am checking my outstanding report. Display statements of account, outstanding, receivables. Here this is a receivables, but see here it is showing invoice number reference number 1. Instead of 1 I want to display my additional reference number. Here it is showing voucher number. The heading is reference number, but this field tally is showing voucher number. Instead of voucher number I want to show my reference number. For that, open the sales entry. This is a sales entry. In the sales entry there is another option. It is available only in the TallyPrime. Go to configure. Then here there is another option. Use voucher number as bill reference for bill allocation. Here you need to make it no. That means the default tally using voucher number as is the bill reference number at the time of bill allocation. Here you need to put the no, then tally will take this reference number for bill allocation at the time of voucher sale. Here I will show you. Just enter and save the entry. For more clarity, I am going to disable that default bill allocation. Here use default bill wise details for bill allocation. Make it no. Okay. Then enter, and here select the new reference. Tally will take automatic that reference number. Go to new reference. Before tally is taking voucher number here. Now tally is capturing reference number. Then save the entry. After that, here you can see in the outstanding report showing a reference number. In this way, you can set your voucher reference number in outstanding report. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel for getting more free videos.